Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this session I am going to explain you about the XOR and XNOR gate. Yeah guys, let us write XOR and XNOR gate. Okay. In this video I am going to discuss about that symbol, working, truth table and then in the next video let us solve some examples problems. By solving those you can get a clear cut concept. Okay, let us write XOR gate symbol here. XOR gate symbol. Okay, yeah, let it be a, let it be b. The output is y is equal to a XOR b. Okay, it is represented also as a bar b plus a b bar. Okay, let us write the XNOR gate symbol here. XNOR gate symbol. It is the complement of XOR gate. That is, if we put the inverter to the XOR gate, that will become XNOR gate. Okay, yeah. Let it be a b y. Y is equal to a XNOR b. It is represented like this. It is also represented as a XOR b. If you put complement here, it will also become XNOR gate, and it will also represented as a b plus a bar b bar. Okay, yeah. Let me divide this to explain the working to you. Yeah, we can explain the working simply as here you are seeing the equation on the screen. When two inputs are different, you are seeing that in the XOR gate the output will be 1. But in the XNOR gate, when the two inputs are same, the output will be 1. I will write it in the simple terms here. Yeah, if number of one at input is odd, okay, then output is 1, else output is 0. Okay, in this case it will simply, where I write the odd, it will become even. Okay, if number of one at input is even, then output is 1, else output is 0. Okay, that's it. Yeah, let us discuss the properties here. Okay guys, let's next write the truth table for the XOR gate and the XNOR gate. Truth table, a b y. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, yeah, you can see in that working that if number of 1 at the input is odd, then output is 1, else output is 0. Since the number of 1 is not odd here, the output is 0. Here the number of 1 is odd, then the output will become 1. Here also the number of 1 is odd, the output is 1. Here you can see that the number of 1s are even, the output is 0. Okay, yeah. Here let us write the truth table of the XNOR gate. Okay, A, B, here Y, Okay. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Yeah. Let me like that straight. Okay. Yeah. Here the working statement is if number of 1 at the input is even then output is 1. Okay. Here the number of ones is 0. We know that 0 is a even number, hence the output will become 1. Here the number of 1 is odd, the output will be 0. Here the number of 1 is odd, the output is 0. Here the number of 1 is even, the output is 1. Okay. It's simply the complement of it. If you put a NOT gate, it will become XNOR gate. You know that? Yeah. You can see that in the truth table where the output is 0 for the XOR gate, it will become 1 in the XNOR gate, and where the input is 1 at the XOR gate, it will become 0 at the XNOR gate. You are seeing on the. Let's next discuss the properties. Okay. Yeah, let me write this straight line. Okay. Yeah, let me write properties of XOR gate. Okay. Yeah. First one, let it be a. Yeah. We need to find the output y. Yeah. You are seeing on the screen like that. Here both the inputs are sorted. Since the input would be 0 0 or 1 and 1. Here for the input 0 0, the output is 0. Here the input is 1 and 1, the output is 0. Simply you can write here as 0. Okay. Let's move to the second case. Okay. Here. Yeah. Write the XOR gate. Here the one input for the terminal is A and the another input for the terminal is 0. We need to check what's the output for this condition. Yeah, you can see that when consider this B is 0 for this one and this one, A is 0 and Y is 0. Here A is 1 and Y is 1. Simply write Y is equal to A. Okay. Let's move to the third case. Okay. Yeah. Let us write the third case here. Yeah. Let us consider the XOR gate. Okay. Y is equal to what we need to find. Let this terminal input is A and let this terminal input is 1. Okay. In this case, we need to find Y is equal to P is 1, this one and this one. A is equal to 0, Y is equal to 1. That means complement A bar. Here A is equal to 1, Y is equal to 0. That means it's also complement. That means that A bar. Okay. Right A bar here. Let us discuss here the properties of XNOR gate. Okay. Properties of XNOR gate. Okay. Yeah. Let us consider the first case. Yeah. This is shorted. Input is A. Y is equal to what we need to find out. When the input are same, you are seeing that 0 0 the output is 1 and 1 1 the output is 1. Simply write Y is equal to 1. Okay. Let's next move to the second case. Yeah. Let the input for this terminal is A and let the input for this terminal is 0. In this case, we need to find Y. Okay. Yeah. When the B is 0, just see this. A is 0, the B is 1. That means that complement here A is 1, the B is 0. Yeah. Let's write Y is equal to A bar. Okay. Let's next move to the third case. Okay. Let it would be A. Yeah. And the input for this terminal is 1. We need to find Y is equal to what? In this case, you are seeing that when the b is 1, you are seeing that when the a is 0, the output y is 0, a is 1, the output is 1. Simply write y is equal to a. Okay, yeah. Finally, I hope you understand the concepts clearly. In this video, we have discussed the XOR and XNOR gate, symbol, working, truth table, and properties of XOR gate and properties of XNOR gate. Yeah, in the next video, we have solved some example problems on it. On that thing, you can get the clear-cut picture. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, guys. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.